I just finished this vintage. This was made in 1966. Reuge singing birdcage. Excellent cosmetic condition. And I fully serviced this birdcage, so it's also in excellent mechanical condition. Very pretty bird with blues and yellows. Try to get a different light angle so you can see the feathers. So everything's taking apart. Cleaned, adjusted, and lubricated, so this works as it should. Let's start off on the pause feature and just look at the base. I mean, it's just in wonderful condition. So we get better focus on the bird. So the bird opens and closes her beak, flaps her tail. Her head also rotates from left to right, and her body rotates from left to right. We'll do one more pause. Bear with me, that's one of my carriage clocks in the background. I'm going to move this to continuous. The bird sings with full voice, hitting all of the proper oscillating notes, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. It's a wonderful piece. It's almost 50 years old. All bird cages have 3 operating settings: off, pause, and then on. Let me turn this off. So in summary, a vintage 1966 Reuge singing birdcage in wonderful cosmetic and mechanical condition. Take care.